Hello everybody, we are here in the Thursday of the International Training in Tanatopraxia held by Āltima and organized by FIAT-IFTA and Sortem. And I have here with me Jorge Figueroa from Mexico. Jorge, un viaje largo, ¿no? Para venir al curso.
Yeah, it has been a long trip. I took 3 flights. The third flight was delayed, but finally we are here, inclusive with a jet lag is difficult for me, but...
How is the course so far?
The course is beautiful. We have people from 6 countries more. We were talking about inside the program. Hey, what about the idiom? What about the language, the foreign language? Finally, we find that we have just one foreign language, or one language on the table and on the embalming table. So finally, we have people from Poland, Croatia, Mexico, Spain, Italy too, but with the body, it's the same language.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, it's a beautiful experience to stay here. Thank you.
And what would you say the major thing or the most important thing that you are bringing with you back home?
Okay, the experience, new tips, the win mind, the protocols in Āltima. I like them, really like them. Anwar is a beautiful, a great teacher. He knows how to say, hey, we are in training. The knowledge is in a high top level.
Okay.
I like it.
So thank you very much, and I hope that the rest of the days are as good.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to stay here. It's a great opportunity. People in America ask me, "Hey, how are you doing? How are you feeling? Can you say tips? Can you share with us different topics?" People is so excited.
Well, that's great. That's really great, actually.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.